Hello friends, this is Sahiti here. Today we are going to discuss about some important GK questions. With which country is Orange Revolution associated? Answer is Ukraine. With which field was Pandit Bhimsen Joshi associated? Answer is music. The ODI Player of the Year 2012 award was given by ICC to which Indian cricketer? Answer is Virat Kohli. Who created world record in the men's 100 meter sprint event at 2008 Olympic Games? Answer is Usain Bolt. Which cell organelle function as the powerhouse of a living cell? Answer is mitochondria. Which states of the USA are attached to Mexico? Answer is California and Texas. Who was the earliest Sufi saint to have settled at Ajmer? Answer is Sheikh Moinuddin Chishti. The members of the state legislative assembly are elected for what period? Answer is 5 years. How many images can a man see if he stands between two plane mirrors inclined at an angle of 60 degrees? Answer is 5. What is the basic attribute of a formal organization? Answer is rules and regulations. Khartoum is situated at the confluence of which rivers? Answer is White Nile and Blue Nile. Under which reign did Mughal Empire extend up to Tamil territory in the south? Answer is Aurangzeb. The Winter Olympic came into being in which year? Answer is 1924. Transfer of genetic information from one generation to the other is accomplished. Answer is by transfer RNA. Which one feature is distinguishing the Rajya Sabha from the Vidhan Parishad? Answer is indirect election. Which is the southernmost city? Answer is Raipur. Which Rajput Mansabdar revolted against Aurangzeb? Answer is Durgadas Rathore. Which hydrocarbon is mainly present in gobar gas? Answer is methane. Who wrote the book Babu Vivah? Answer is Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. If the price of an inferior good falls, what about its demand? Answer is remains constant. Which gulf would have to be crossed to reach Sri Lanka from Nagarkoil? Answer is Gulf of Mannar. The last governor of Bengal appointed by the Mughal emperor? Answer is Murshid Quli Khan. What percentage of water is lost during transpiration? Answer is 99%. Which is the most populous city in the world? Answer is Tokyo. By which ruler was the practice of military governorship first introduced in India? Answer is Greeks. Which country has the briefest constitution in the world? Answer is USA. When temperature is gradually decreased, what is the specific heat of substance? Answer is decreased. What is the mean of invisible export? Answer is export services. Which is the country with the highest density of population in Europe? Answer is Netherlands. Bhakta Tukaram was a contemporary of which Mughal emperor? Answer is Jahangir. Who was the first person to cross the Alps with army? Answer is Hannibal. What is the loss of water in the form of water drops called guttation? Who was made the Home Minister when Jawaharlal Nehru formed the interim government in 1946? Answer is Sardar Patel. Which foreign country is closest to Andaman Islands? Answer is Myanmar. Who was called Jinda Pir in Mughal India? Answer is Aurangzeb. Which metal is non-toxic in nature? Answer is gold. Which is the latest addition to the list of UNESCO's World Heritage Sites in India? Answer is Red Fort. Which committee was assigned to recommend reforms in the insurance sector? Answer is Malhotra Committee. Which state shares boundaries with the maximum number of other states of India? Answer is Assam. The first railway line in India was opened in which year? Answer is 1853. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please do subscribe.